Hey everybody, today we're going to take a look at 3 simple steps that you can do to be more successful when you're trying to dribble or avoid a defender. If you just take a little bit of planning prior to going against your defender, these 3 steps will help quite a bit. The first thing you want to do is think about the strategy that you're going to be using to avoid this defender. Are you going to use a V-dribble, or are you going to do a crossover, or some other modified crossover, or maybe even a combination of a couple different dodges put together? Also, you want to think about the space that's needed. So if you want to pass that person on the left, you want as much space as you can have on the left. And to create that space, you need to think about bringing that defender away from that space. So let's take a look at this drill that we're about to do. It's a 1 versus 1 drill where we've got one person that's the defender and we have one person that's on offense, which is the dribbler. Also, our space is made up of 4 domes. Some of them are outside of the picture, but it makes a square. As soon as the offensive player enters the space, the defense is supposed to come and try to challenge them to make them use one of their dodges. In this example, the plan to avoid or dodge the defender is to do a crossover from the right hand over to the left hand. So the space that this individual wants is as much space to the left as possible. So in this example, they're going to start to draw to the right to create as much space so that this person comes over and you can create as much space over to this space over to the left. Let's take a look. Here we have that same drill that we saw before. They switched their jobs, and also they have some different strategies and some different needs for space. So let's check out this one. In this example, the plan is to use a V-dribble using the right hand. So the space that this person wants is as much space on the right as possible. So to do that, they're going to be trying to draw the defense to the left. So you'll first start to see the dribbler making their way to their left. Their defense is going to start to approach them, and as soon as they have created that space over here, they're going to take that for that V-dribble. Let's check it out. Thanks for checking out the resource, and I hope that taking a little bit of thought into these 3 steps will help you be even more successful when you're dribbling against your defenders.